Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps, SRE, DevSecOps coach.
Enter the IP and in auth select the file. Then it is showing login as. So what we have to fill here?
Can you please share your screen? It'll be easy for to comment.
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Now I'm getting that. 1 second. Yeah.
Oh, Patti, you have to use PPK file, PM file for SSH.
PPK. Okay.
PPK file you have to use.
Okay. And that one is PPK.
Yeah. So two file I'll given, one PPK, one PM.
Okay. So that one file.
Yeah.
That PPK and download. H1 training one. Okay. And now enter the file.
And you just shared for the for Ubuntu box, not for the Windows IP.
Now it is showing logged in as.
Rajesh, have you shared the Windows IP also?
No, I have not shared that. Just a second. I'm still creating ad hoc one. So that's the reason I wanted to create in one go. But unfortunately, because one by one creation is little difficult.
Ubuntu password is Ubuntu login, not administrator. This is Ubuntu, I think. You just paste the IP here, na? Your IP.
I'm just creating the machine for Lalit. Just give me 2 seconds. Someone else who's an expert in Linux, can you help him?
Yeah, I'm there. Just put the IP address here, na? You can put here your IP. Yeah.
No. Wait. Cancel it.
PPK1.
No, you need to go in author. Yeah, select PPK.
Ubuntu. ID is Ubuntu. Yeah. Access.
Thank you.
This is the file DataOps.pm file, right?
Click open. PPK file you have to give. Yeah, collect open and click open. Lalit, for you, na?
No, I'm unable to. Are you waiting?
Yeah.
Actually, Lalit, I'm trying to create something is a problem with the AWS for you. I don't know why
Okay.
it's coming. Just give me a few seconds.
Yeah,
Let me
take your
share
time.
my
No problem.
screen. So I'm trying to create, but it's not clicking actually. Lalit, Ubuntu. You can see my screen. 20. And let's say go for higher architecture. Key HL, right? AWS HL training. security groups default, and 8 GB, 1 machines,
Yeah.
and launch. See, it's not able to launch actually. I click on the multiple times. Not sure why this is there. I think it's a AWS issues not allowing me to launch actually. That's a problem. PM file you're using?
PPK.
PPK, sorry, PPK?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please go ahead. That will be easier because I think
Able to see, na? My screen?
yeah. Your IP address which I gave it to you 219, right? Yeah.
This one you just share. Okay.
Did you download it or copy the key?
Download.
Okay, Ubuntu. Oh, it's a key issues actually. Can you show me that? How did you download the key?
Yeah.
Oh, click on the raw. No. This is not good. Click on the raw.
Sorry.
Go back. Repository. I mean,
This one, na? This one.
No. Click on the raw.
Where is the?
The right side top.
Okay. This one. This one download, right?
No. This is also download raw file. Now use this one as a key here, and then it should work, I guess, because key is correct. I saw that. I checked that here.
Okay. I create a folder here.
So it should be DD site should be us1 datadoghq.com or datadoghq.com.
For you, US1, it will be 1 actually.
You able to log in this using my key?
Yeah, I'm able to access.
Can you please share your screen?
Yeah.
once?
Just a second. Can you see my screen?
I have gone through this one.
No. That is Windows actually.
Okay.
Above
So
is
where is that Doug?
same page actually.
In same page only. Okay. Let me.
That is a no. Be there. It was there
This
only.
is this
Click
one,
on this.
right?
Ashwini, there is in front of you how to install Datadog agent in
Right.
Windows. Yeah. Click on that.
Okay.
But if you follow blindly this one, you will make a same mistake what Salma did. Click on that, no?
Uh,
Title. Click on the title.
yeah, already I have opened that one. That is already opened here.
So this one, but you have to take a code from the widgets. Your code, you have to take it from the widgets.
This is my screen and I am getting this error. One unending component.
No, that's what I'm saying. You follow the Did you follow my blog?
Yeah, this one, right?
Can you go up?
Hmm.
It's just down.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
See that step number 3. What is written?
Run the following command. I copy this and
No,
API
above.
key.
Just read the above.
Do not run this command. It is example copy from Datadog.
Got it?
From Datadog means where?
The way we did no.
Yeah, right. Hello.
You missed the demo?
Yeah.
Datadog website. You have to do the Datadog website. Did you register at Datadog?
Yes, yes.
So where is that? Yeah. Here you have to run. This command you have to take it from here. It was there, no? Yeah. That
Yes.
is this is wait. This is for Mac. You have to get what is your operating system?
Windows.
No.
Oh, sorry, Ubuntu.
Yes. So
Okay.
take the
So
commands
I
from
have to take this command, right?
yeah. Copy, click on that.
Copy. So can I run this command once
No,
again?
you did not click. You click on that first.
Hello.
Am I audible, all of you?
Yeah, audible.
Pranay, you click on that. Did not click. You are still showing me the windows.
This one I want to update. Datadog. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Right.
Yeah. This file need to update, right? Datadog, right? Rajesh? Rajesh, are you there?
Rajesh, you're in mute.
Sorry. Yeah. I can hear you.
Yeah. This file need to update. You mentioned,
Yeah.
right?
In this file, there will be line number 2nd, which you need to upload.
This
Yeah.
API key, right?
That you have to check that it is a right API ID or not.
Oh, I need to check.
While installing right in the Datadog website, they'll give you a whole bunch of commands. In that, it was API also, right? Go to Datadog.
Sorry? Datadog.
Go to Datadog.
Yeah.
Copy this. Go down. It's there, no command is there. You see hidden blue, hidden blue. Copy this in the notepad. You will be able to see that.
Enter.
No, sir. It was up. Yeah, it's in blue, hidden.
Blue. This one? No. Blue.
Sir, it was there, no? DD underscore API underscore key is equal to hidden. That command is visible. Yes. Copy the whole command, put it in the notepad, and then
There
you'll
was a
see.
tab. Yeah. Just click on that. It will come.
This one.
Yeah, you see that now key. That key should be going over there,
Okay.
and then
This
restart the
one.
agent. Yeah.
This one. Na?
Yeah.
Okay. Need to compare only.
Hello. Hello. Can somebody help me here? Because I'm getting the same status, the fail and 14 healthy company.
Have you changed the key?
Yes, sir.
Have you checked the key? This is and then sorry. Yes, Rajesh is not available. So
No, I'm just run that command. 1 second. Yeah, that
no,
one.
you have to run again command. Maybe do one thing. Just
Hmm.
copy this key that you can copy that key and then change your the YAML file and put it paste your that key.
Okay.
See in the notes. Let me explain.
Yeah, here it is the key. That is the key.
Yeah.
So where is the YAML file?
Yeah. So go to your 2D and there is a one YAML file which you need to open. Let me explain you where it is this, where you can find this key. Yeah, there is a etc Datadog isn't Datadog.yaml. The path etc Datadog etc/etc/slash Datadog hyphen agent then Datadog.yaml where you just search.
It is permission denied.
You have permission denied. You should be on sudo in root. Are you in root?
Yeah.
Do a VI to that file. Na?
Yeah, VI. You need to do the VI because it's a file.
Okay.
VI
Yeah.
and then then open that.
Datadog.
So you are not in that path still.
Go to that location, no?
You need
Same
to that
above
you need
location.
to path.
But it is totally fine, right?
Do escape colon Q, then you can.
Okay. Okay, now
Do VI and that full slash EC
it is here.
Datadog and
Okay. Here is the
Search
key.
this key and replace this key.
So
Just
key is the
put
same.
is the same key.
Yeah, same key.
Then have you
E05, E07, E05,
so have you restarted your services? Can you just restart your service again?
Okay. Restart. Huh?
There is a command system that you can find from there.
That na restart Datadog agent dot service.
Yes. The system CTL restart Datadog hyphen agent. System CTL restart Datadog agent.
It's not doing anything.
No, not here. Do one thing. Just go on the north. Just behind your putty, there is a one behind you. Yes, the line number restart line number 4. 1, 2, 3, third line number third. Run this. Yeah. Now check. Go on that URL.
Go on that
You
URL.
can check the status as well. The next command is status. Check the status.
Check the status. Okay.
No, and the next command in the previous next command, check the status.
So function
Escape colon Q. Escape colon Q.
escape colon Q.
Have to be very careful because you have written something and then escape colon Q and enter. Escape key. Yeah. Yes. Just type now. Yes. What is? Yeah, it is showing active running. Now just Control C and go on that URL. Yeah, go on URL where we were seeing the infrastructure list. You've seen that infrastructure list.
Here it is showing you have not installed an agent.
And just refresh now again. Refresh. No, not here. Let me give you. You are in, yeah, I'm just pinging you. Can you just click on this link?
Okay.
Yeah, continue. Yeah, log in again.
Don't
Which
know what
which
to
login
say.
you have logged in previously? What is the previous one? You never log in this Datadog?
Yeah, already logged.
You created now? You created user and password?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, click on this. Click on this. Yeah. Just before one tab. What is that tab? Before one. There is one tab.
Yeah.
Oh, you are already. So can you just click on that very left hand side corner? There is a one home page. Yeah.
And
Yeah. Now the fourth one, two, the on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On top. Yeah. Infrastructure. The infrastructure list. Click on infrastructure list. No, host is still not registered for you. Maybe you try to install again with the different.
okay. And open. Okay.
Do one thing. Let's uninstall this actually. Wait. I'm just giving you one command. Can you just run this command? I just put it into chat, Webex chat. Can you just copy paste? Yeah. Just uninstall and then this time please copy. Yeah. Just wait for some time. It will be removed. Uninstall. Done? Yeah. Can you do
Yeah,
the
done.
sudo s? Can you just do sudo -s?
Okay. 1 second.
Yeah. Just type sudo -s.
Go -s.
Yes. S. S for south. Enter. Yeah. Just
Okay.
now go to the page where you can see the agent installation. There is a one. Yes. Yeah. Not other one. Other one. There is a one more.
Okay.
Let us ping you. Go to this site. Just ping you.
Okay.
Can you just click on this? Yeah. Continue.
Every time it is showing login failed.
I really don't know. For me, for us, it's not. For me, it's not.
Okay.
Why it is showing?
Don't know.
See, there is a page where you can see the agent setup. I think you already shown me one agent page, agent setup page. You need to copy from there.
That one.
No. That is we. In
Yeah. Ishwar.singh one are like
anyway, you change the password now. You can just log in again.
it's showing you failed.
Failing. Why it is failing? Okay, do one thing on the last page which you were showing me infrastructure, where we seen the infrastructure, the second to second last page. Yes, here.
1 second. That page. Huh?
Yeah. Can you just go on the home page? No, not here. Home page.
Yes. Home
Yeah.
page.
This one. There is a one agent. Can you just click on the top all the menus? And there is a one. I'll explain you. There is an option where you can see. Option 9. There is a there is an option. Then inside that you can click agent. Before one more before. Yeah, click on agent. Yes, click on the date going to. Yes, copy this. Not this completely. Yes, copy this and paste your putty. Yeah, enter it. What is saying? Yes. Now I think after this will work. Let me just maximize your page.
Okay.
Putty maximize putty.
1 second.
Yeah. So I'm talking to Ishwar. You are Ishwar?
Yeah. Ishwar.
Yeah. Done. Can you just go on the system SCTL that command here? Status, yes. Click this. Yes.
You
Now
are
control
now
C.
active.
Yeah,
Control C.
control C and just go to that URL where we are seeing the infrastructure list. Check the
Okay.
infrastructure. The third, yes, infrastructure list. Yes.
Still not sure.
Refresh it again. This should come because we have done from scratch. Infrastructure list. Bad luck. Can you just go on that again putty? What is the status saying? Any issues saying?
Your file is not shown. Your file. 3 files. Okay. Datadog that has the same key. The key is also same.
API key here. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, that is, yeah, there is a colon, right? There should be space after that. That's a YAML specifications, okay? In the API key, colon, space, and then key.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me. No.
Rajesh Pranay here. In the Datadog site, when I went to the infrastructure list, there is no option on the name
Yeah.
of
Got it.
Ubuntu.
And restart the agent after that.
Rajesh?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the Datadog site, when I went to the infrastructure list, that is the fifth icon, I did not see any icon name as Ubuntu. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah, please.
See, this is the Datadog site, and I went to the
Check the two things. Two things you need to check. First thing, your key is correct or not in the datadog.yaml file. Keys you're correct. Is your key is visible? If key is correct, then should be okay. But if it's not, then change the key and restart the agent.
Datadog.yml file.
During installations, you have a datadog.yaml file. Look at my notes. The path is given over there.
Path is where is this one, right?
Yeah.
But from whom do I need to configure? These two files I need to configure.
Yes. Check that key is correct in that file or not.
etc datadog agent datadog.y. Yeah, this is the datadog.yml. Okay, and this is the key. To whom I should compare this key?
Your key. Your key. Go to the Datadog widgets. There only you have a key.
But here I am not getting the key information. Where should I get that information? This is my site.
Yeah. Go to the widget. Same installation widget.
This one.
Yeah.
Infrastructure list, right?
Yeah. Agent.
But there
Integration agent. Integration agent. Next one.
okay.
Next one. Yeah. After that. Yeah. After that. Yeah. Agent. Click on that agent.
Okay. This is Ubuntu. And this is the key, right? Let me copy it. But it is not showing anything.
Because you do not select it. Go to the back side. Select the key API, up is there.
Okay. 9339. No, it is different.
Just match that, correct it and restart the agent.
Okay, so I can edit the file through VI, right?
Yeah.
So now I have to restart the agent. No, now it is showing 13 unhealthy components. So I have to install all the steps again.
So now you restart the agent, na?
Yes.
Agent status. What is the status of agent? 4 status. No. Systemctl status Datadog agent. The fourth command.
Okay.
Fourth line. Yes. It's running.
Now I can check the health, right?
Mm.
Datadog agent health.
You can go direct to the Datadog site. Can you just see what is the status? That's fine.
Pranay, did you
Can you
run
go to
that
your site?
restart command? Restart command.
Yeah, I already did the restart.
After edit the ML file, right?
Yes.
So go to the site, Datadog site. What is the status? No. Nothing reflect right now here. Now you completed the finish step, right? After.
Yes. After editing the file with VI command, I restart the agent.
Now from here also in Datadog side, you need to finish something is there. I think you can see the Rajesh. Yeah, go to down.
No.
Up. In next, just down. After edit the file. Yeah, just go slow.
Okay.
Go slow.
Yeah.
There is an option next is there. Here. You did that one.
No.
That you need to find out.
Ubuntu. There is no option. Rajesh?
Not
Scroll
sure.
up. Scroll up.
Hello.
You scroll up.
Hmm. Hmm.
Go up. Yeah. Select a key there.
I already did this step.
Did you restarted the agent?
Yes, yes, restarted the agent
That part
after
done.
editing the file.
So just go back to the Datadog. I see
Yes.
your agent is unhealthy still. Can you show me the screen?
One is unhealthy component.
That is a problem. Maybe you modify the wrongly. Go to the YAML file again.
Hmm. And this is our copy.
No, YAML file. Yeah. Check that if you
Yeah, this
copy
is the
it carefully.
Yes.
Okay, restart that now once again. Your unhealthy should not come.
See, this is the restart command.
Yeah.
Did it?
And check the status.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now go to the Datadog website.
Yes.
And click on the fifth icon from the left.
Hmm. Infrastructure list.
Yeah.
Still, it is not showing.
The person you're calling
Should come. Just wait for a few seconds. It should come automatically.
Okay.
Okay, guys, all of you please confirm in the chat box. I got only 3 confirmation. Those who are back to the desk, please confirm in the chat box.
Rajesh, I'm also getting the same issue.
Yeah, we'll discuss about the troubleshooting in one go only because most of you are making the same issues again and again, and we'll fix it in one go.
There are one unhealthy component still showing.
We'll check that.
Hmm.
Okay, so guys, I'll take over the session now. Let me share my screen. Okay. So guys, it's I think what there's some observation here. So first thing, I felt like we all are not in sync for demo. So we need to be in sync for demo. That is important, and that is the way during the demo. If you have some confusion, you can ask, because what happens? This is infrastructure training, and in the infrastructure, if you it's not like okay, you skip the steps and then you will do that your own later on, just run bunch of codes in Java code or something like that. So you have to remember the steps and all. So look at the demo very carefully and then do that. So that way, what will happen? Our session will be faster and then we can address lots of content. Okay, so now what I'm going to teach you is troubleshooting skills.
Rajesh, we are hearing lot of echoes. Someone is from meeting room. Please put your phone on mute.
Yeah, guys, request you to put that on mute if you're not talking. Yeah. Okay, so how to troubleshoot? Now, first thing here, many of you have made issues with let me show you. Here, when I go and agent, many of you, what I realize, some of you just follow my blocks blindly and did not follow this one. So what has happened, the blank different key got copied. So how do you get that your keys? So you can get the keys here. This is hidden, but you can get your key something like this. This is your key. So what has happened, because you followed my blog just step by step, and that key was not updated for your account, so that is the reason many of you have a wrong code. So that is the first thing. So second thing, how do we modify the this one, what to say, machines? So let's say I'm going to use issues machines right now just for the demo. So let me log into these machines, and I'm going to log in to that ppk file. This is the one, and here username is Ubuntu. Now if I see that here, become a sudo. Now let me improve the view. So all the troubleshooting commands I gave you in my notes blog basically, but I think you need to spend a little bit of time and get comfortable, most of you. So this is one of the command which I asked you to run, Datadog -agent status. So this command will tell you what is the problems if you have. So here it's a pretty long list, and slowly if you spend some time, here you see here API key is ending with this one, and but if you see that here API key is not valid, invalid. So I think this is same, this guy also Ishwar also doing the same issues. So what I will do, so I will now, let me open up that blog which I asked you to spend some time, and that is somewhere here. So this is the blog I shared with you, and these all commands I want you to get comfortable. So here this is your YAML file. Okay, now if you see that here also I asked to play around with it and give you the demo. I'll discuss in some time. So this file I will log in. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, Raj.
Yeah, and here, so right now here I don't know, maybe that key is invalid. So this is a YAML file, so you need to respect that. Some of you had some space issues also in YAML file, so that you need to work on it. And this key I'm going to copy. So here, this is my key. So this is the one, and carefully modify this. There should be space after the colon, and modify this, and then restart the agent. Though all commands you have here itself in my blog. How do we restart? How do we do that? Here you have all the commands. So need to practice on that way. So system ctl restart Datadog -agent. So done. Now I'll rerun one more time this one and check that if everything is okay or not. So go here, this is the one, and this is the one. See here, this is the one. So you look at this API key and all. You can look at the logs also. I don't know how many of you have looked at the logs. This is the logs here, agent log in the Linux. You can check that also. It's a troubleshooting skills. Okay, slowly we'll build it. So I think it's working fine for now. You can check the health and all. So here, this is okay. Everything is passing. So can I go and check my accounts now? So under the infrastructure list, you see here, one host. This is coming now here. So the last host got changed. So one host is not one host, just now it's came. So this is the way. So now you can spend hell lot of time here because this is something which you have to, get comfortable with it. So guys, did you understand that, all of you?
Yeah, please continue.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's have a little bit of. Okay.
Rajesh, one question here. If I wrongly install the key, then should I remove the installation or just edit the key in the YML file and restart the agent?
Modifying the file and restarting the agent is wiser actually, because why to
Okay.
uninstall, because there's no need for it, right?
Okay. Actually, this is not works for me. That is why I am questioning.
Check that, you might have done some mistake. So like,
Okay.
okay guys, are you able to see my screen right now? Yeah, screen, what is visible, all of you?
Yeah, it's a presentation view, Datadog and Datadog.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, thank you. So guys, how do we customize it? So some of you have already got to know, if you want to configure the agent in any ways, so this is the file to look forward it. Okay, so in this URL, you have a complete sample of it, all these options. Now you have to spend some time with this file also. I'm sharing the chat window, so please uh, spend time, but anyways, I'll explain it to you. So understand that agent is having certain behavior and which is hard coded. Okay, agent, you have a certain behavior which is hard coded. Now you cannot change the behavior of executable. So if you want to change the behavior of Datadog agent, so there's a configuration file, datadog.yaml file. This is a sample one. So you will have to work with this. This file you will see that. Okay, this is the file you will see in there also. Now here you have more than 200 options and you need to work on it. So for example, let me explain you only one. This is the tutorial kind of it. So if you see that little carefully, so here the param site, which is parameter site. This is the parameter site. You see site is a variable name and default is US1. Okay. So if you think it's a non-US1, then you have to uncomment this and change this remaining. So what are the other options we have? So this is a US3, US5, Asia Pacific, and some government also. So these are the values can connect. Now, if you look at this second line, which is very interesting. So here it says at the environment. That means if you don't want to set in the YAML file, you want to set in the environment also. So any variable which is with the prefix with a dd underscore, which is a capital and the variable name, then value you can set it up. That means it's a pattern. Okay, so you can set in the YAML file also and uncomment this file. You can set it up in the environment also. So this is the complete tutorial. Something like that. If you want to set up a URL for it, you want to change the API address for it. So here you have proxy. You want to set it up. Here you have. So you see that's complete tutorials for it for each variables. And if you read it carefully a little bit with a serious note, you'll understand that very simple. Are you understanding, all of you? Hello?
Please continue.
Yeah. So this is the configuration file and this is tutorial has been given. Anything you want to change, this is the file you should focus on it. Okay. So now which are the locations of configuration file in the different operating system? So look at this, most of the Linux one you have a etc datadog-agent datadog.yaml file. But if you see that in Mac, you'll be in the having user location. But in Windows, if you look at this last one, it will be under the programs data and Datadog. Mind it, program data folder is hidden folder. So you won't see it until you enable the view show hidden files or folders. So these are the locations. Hopefully you will remember it. Now guys, this directory you have to remember it. I thought today only I'll try, but I think we'll start from tomorrow on working with integration. So this directory which you see, you can integrate all the integrations. Remember that. Integration means what? Integration means some external metrics you want. Like say agent by default can capture CPU, RAM, hard disk and all kind of things. But you want more metrics like Apache, Tomcat, MySQL, Docker, and many more actually. So this directory is you are going to work with it. Remember that conf.d under the etc datadog.agent. Look at the Mac path and the Windows path, last one under the programs data datadog conf.d. So will you remember this directory all the time when you want to integrate and gather the metrics which is not collected by default agent, then you have to configure it this one.
And how we are going to do that?
Excuse me?
And how we are going to do that after?
I'll show you that. Just remember the path actually for time being. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the path. Now guys, how do we enable the integrations? How do we enable the integrations? So now inside the path, if you see, there is a directory http:/check.d. Now that directory will help you to enable the Apache integrations. So now I want to show you this directory, then you will have a little bit comfortable. So ls etc datadog agent and then conf.d. See that. So many directories are there. So these are the tools basically. So let's say if you want to integrate Apache, you want to collect the metrics of Apache, you have to go and work on this directory. If you want to do with the Docker, here it is. If you want to do some Tomcat and all, so something, here it is. If you want to work with MySQL, something like that, so here it is. So for each and every integrations, you have a directory created and so on. Okay, so likewise. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside the data agent, all these files are available, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this. So you have to enable it. I'll teach you how can you do that. See. So this configuration file is commented right now. It's not active. The moment it will become YAML, it will become active. I'll teach you all this thing. So that is the integrations if you want to enable it. Now troubleshooting, some of this thing I said, API and all, datadog.yaml file, but slowly you will get it. But guys, you have to look at the log file first thing. You have to check at the status. All the commands I shared, but you have to, bring into the practice. So that things we have to do that stuff. Okay, so which are the services? How do we start and all? So systemctl we are using in Ubuntu, services we are using in the Windows. So that is you are comfortable. So I will just move. Datadog agent, it can be in a part of container as a container also. So you can pass in the containers or Docker pods also. You can create an agent for that. So these are the commands which can do the stuff. Okay, so these are the commands which can do in the different platforms and all. You can also do through the, let's say, agent cannot publish the matrices to the Datadog using the agent directly. Internet is not allowed, let's say, outgoing. So you can use the proxy also. Many softwares are available for it. There is a web proxy is available, Squid is available, Microsoft Web Proxy is also available. HA proxy will also can be used. Push gateway from the Prometheus also can be used for that. So all these thing options are available if you are in a restricted environment, can be done the setup. Okay, so this is the something which you have. Any questions so far, all of you?
Rajesh, one question. When I install the API key, then my account should be the root or Ubuntu?
Basically, you have to change as a sudo. So either be root or Ubuntu with sudo.
Okay.
Okay, so let's move on, guys. So now I'm going to talk about a Datadog. So now here, what to do? So did you install the agent? Yes. We'll do the integrations, installations also, then create alerts and dashboard. So these are the flow of the training. So what is integrations? So guys, I'll put it in this way. Agent is configured to gather the default matrix automatically. Okay. But if you want extra matrix to be collected by the agent, then you have to use integrations. Okay. For example, I show you the directive for integration like Apache integrations and all this stuff. So that is something which we need to work on it. Okay. So that is something which you have to work on it.
One question,
So,
Rajesh.
yeah.
We have seen that there are a lot of basically integration.d extension file is there. So how many basically, so that means that we can integrate only whatever present there. If something is out of basically all those that .d extension file, then we cannot integrate those, or we can create our own .d file.
Sorry, not able to understand your question.
See, when you have shown me that after the ls inside the Datadog agent, yeah, these are the .d extension file. So that means if you want to integrate, we need to just open this file and that enable that. So
That's
my
correct.
question
That's correct.
Yes, my question apart from these all that integration which is currently available. Suppose if you want to integrate something else which is not part of this folder, how we can do that?
So there is a way to that. So I told you, remember, Datadog agent is open source and is written in Golang. So you can create a custom integrations also using the Golang shell scripting, PowerShell scripting, depends on your age platform. So that is also possible.
And okay, maybe you are going to explain about the cloud related services, that like inside the AWS there may be some kind of different like different databases or different data warehouse, maybe different analytics tool, something like that. So we can create custom for that.
No, not required. Cloud, anyways, it's already available. So if let's say you want the cloud data, so like RDS, EC2 and all, you can ask a CloudWatch. It's a API integration. So you have to give the permission to Datadog. Datadog will ask cloud. It will be little chargeable. And CloudWatch will give all the metrics because they have everything. No?
Yeah, CloudWatch is having everything. But my question, if you want to integrate with the Datadog. If you want to integrate Datadog, because CloudWatch is it's an AWS monitoring tool and other things that the observability.
When I say Datadog, that means you understand this way. Datadog must be having the matrices. The question is, how do you get matrices? So one of the method which I said agent, but Datadog also provide the API. That means API also can collect the matrix. CloudWatch is API. So Datadog you need to configure to collect the matrices from API of CloudWatch. CloudWatch will have all the information of all the cloud related services.
Okay.
But let's say if you are not on RDS, then you won't get a matrix. CloudWatch will say this is not managed service, so I don't have matrices. So then in that case, what you have to do? In that case, you have to install the agent in that machine and then configure the MySQL integration. That is what I was talking about.
Yeah, that's what I'm also asking. Suppose I install agent inside the RDS, and now the agent is not available. That integration is not available here for the RDS. How we are going to do that?
Okay, a little bit confusion here. Understand that the moment you say RDS is a managed service, the moment you say EC2 plus database is a, see here, when you say RDS, this RDS is the managed service of AWS. That means you can ask this information from CloudWatch. But what do? You create a VM and then install the MySQL server. This is not a managed service. In that case, AWS CloudWatch will tell the EC2 information for sure, but not about this one. So for that, what you need to do, install the agent, integrate MySQL, and then MySQL will send the data to the Datadog.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so guys, let's get into this. So integrations. So that is that. So 400 plus, no, 650 plus integrations are available, and it's growing every day actually. And so what are the ways? What are the ways that Datadog will provide the integration? One is agent-based integration. Just now whatever the demo I showed you, that was agent-based integrations. We do have authentication based on integrations also, which is like you can use for integration like Slack, AWS, API based basically. You can use the library integrations also. You can also develop a custom check also. So many ways are there. Using that, you can send the data to Datadog. So many of these integrations are core. Core means built-in agent itself, which I showed you that convert directly, right? So that's a core. But you know what? Many people have developed the integrations community and share on the GitHub. So you can search for it. Some of the URL here I have shared, but it's a plenty of it actually. People are developing their own integration nowadays with a Go or PowerShell or Shell Bash. So likewise. Okay, so each integrations, the agents come with a set of bundled official Datadog integrations to allow users to start monitoring their application quickly. These integrations are available as single Python package and you can upgrade them separately. So this is the commands to work on it: install, remove, show, and freeze. So you can install the new integration also using install command Datadog-agent integration install. You can remove some integrations like Datadog-agent integration remove and the name of the integration. So that is something which will do that. After that, you will see that here, this is the flow. After that, you install the agent, you can create a dashboard, create a monitor, and many more things. Okay, so this UI is a little bit old, maybe few months. So let me use the new UI which has come last week only. So this is the one. So look at my screen. So if you click on the icon, you will see this one. So they are basically telling, hey, you have to do all this stuff after installing the agent. Now, Watchdog is the one. Here you will get all the monitors which is created by Neuralink based on the ML. Okay, MLOps. Okay, so what happened? Datadog has all of your kind of data, and they keep reading all of your data to identify if there is a problem in it. So Datadog Watchdog is basically a Datadog service which will watch your data, and then if they detect something suspicious in the APM infrastructure logs and many more, then they will tell you. Okay, so here you can create alerts also based on the watchdog. That means if some watchdog has detected from last 1 week, you get it. So right now, hardly I have stored any data, so there is nothing detected. Next one is you have a multiple things. Here you have a service management, service catalog, SLOs, incident management here. So just I would like you to get comfortable with it. Spend some time and read at least this one. One by one, we'll go through this and get experience of all this thing. This one is a dashboard, and now you know the dashboard, reports, all this thing. Here you have infrastructure list. So I did the infrastructure which is Windows and Linux, which you can see right now. 2 Linux is there. Windows got I deleted that one. So here you have Windows containers monitoring. I will do that. I'll show you that how can you monitor. Right now it's not there. And then finally Kubernetes monitoring. Here you can see that right now no cluster attached, and many other monitoring, process monitoring. I'll show you in some time all this thing and get going. Now here you can create alerts. Okay, so monitor means alerts. Here manage monitor, new monitor, some of the downtime settings and all. Just click on it, each and everything, and get comfortable. You don't need to know right now, because slowly we'll get to each one of this, but you need to experience. Any data which is stored by Datadog, any matrices which is stored by Datadog, where do you explore it? So this is the matrix explorer. Okay, so here you have the data which you see, that different types of matrices. You see the click and then experience. Don't rush. Just because Datadog is all about that, the more time you spend, you get comfortable. So matrices you have, APM you have, RAM you have, logs you have, and so many. You can browse this also. These are the matrices. Disk you see here.
One question, Ryan, sorry to interrupt you. What if we have multiple multiple agent configured on the multiple machine? Then which matrix we are going to see here?
Multiple.
If we have a multiple node and multiple agent is there, then which matrix we are going to see here?
So depends on each server will have a something similar matrix. Here you can filter by. So if you see that from here, and you can filter by. So this is the, I have a 2 instance. So you see the instance ID 1 and host here. So this is the filter by, you can do that. So right now, this is the from one host. If you select nowhere, that means it's the average of all hosts.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. So if no host, then it will be the all host, the average.
Yeah, average of. So here you can see that 3 hosts I added so far. So this you can see that from last 2 days. Okay, so all the matrices you can explore. Integrations basically is a way to integrate with other tools. So you see that so many integrations are available. 650 plus integrations are available right now. So how to do that, I'll do that, but I'll show you that. Agent, here you already experienced that, how to install agent. So this part you have already spent. APM, third day I'll talk about it, application performance management. Right now for me, you will see something because I use yesterday this account, but for you, you will not see in your account, it will be disabled. So you have to enable. This is the runbook, notebook, run notebook, whatever you want to call it, documentations. Anything you do in the Datadog infra troubleshooting or something like that, you can create a notebook. Theoretically, it's called runbook in SRE. So you can do that. Here you can search the logs. Right now it will not be enabled for you. Just get comfortable. Logs. Here security. Here synthetic somewhere here. And the RAM you have somewhere here. This is the real user monitor. So now if you see that, what you are going to do. So if I take a snippet of it. So we need to experience all these things. So here, this is the infrastructure matrix. You will get it from here. From here, you get APM trace. This is a log. Okay, I think this is the log. Okay. And here, this is a synthetic and RAM. And then here you have to create, this one. Alert monitoring, and this is the way you can create a dashboard. And this is the integrations we'll have to do, multiple, and some notebook if you want to create some documentations, here you can do that. So these are the things we have to study in the next 5 days, next 4 days. Are you understanding all of it? Yeah. So get comfortable with this UI, each and everything you click and just get comfortable. So it should not be like where I should click, what is there and all. If I tell you logs, so immediately you should go and hit the logs like this here. If I say APM, immediately you should hit this one. If I say synthetic, immediately you should say hit this one. If I say RAM, here. If I say monitor, here. If I say dashboard, here. If I say infrastructure, here. So like this, you should get comfortable little bit of it. Under this, here also few options are there. Though I'll explain it to you, but I want you to get comfortable. So here few options you have in the personal setting, and there is a organization settings also here. So you should check the organization setting, and here you should check the plan in usage also. So right now trial is running 14 days. You will be having everything accessible, but after that it will be applied. Did you understand that, all of you?
But it is open source. So if it is the after trial period, what is we cannot see?
What is that?
As you mentioned that it is open source tool. So then what is the meaning of the trial period 13 days? Because the open source is again it's payable.
Open source means agent is open source. This is a paid one. Datadog is paid one. Agent is open source.
Agent open source. That SaaS, the Datadog SaaS is the okay paid.
See, this is the API key, right?
Starting with
Copy.
7, ending with E. Go ahead and show me the Datadog YAML.
Yeah, this is the ending with 9321E, but API key is invalid showing.
Can you show me the Datadog.yaml? Because if it's saying invalid, that means it's invalid.
Yeah. Okay, I am showing you. See, the same API key.
So did you restart the agent?
Yeah, I uninstalled the agent and start it from scratch.
Can you restart in front of me?
Sure.
No. Where are you going for restarting?
No. I just checking the comment.
Okay, systemctl, yeah. Systemctl. Run the same command as previous. Status. No. Datadog status. You run this command. Arrow sign, you can use it to go to the history of it.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to that section where the API key status. Okay, do one thing. Copy paste both the key in the chat, and I will match this, because you can do also. But let me see.
Okay. I understand.
Check both the copy paste that and see that whether it's matching or not.
I already did this. Okay, this is the and I already copied my agent key.
Okay. Wait one more thing. One more thing. Show me your Datadog agent, a Datadog website. And you are see that. Look at this URL. Okay, now you go to the YAML file. I go in there direct actually. Go to the cookie session. Show me the YAML. Wait. Go down. Show me the YAML full once again. Hit. That's a problem. See, the problem is your region here. You are calling the US1, and your registration is US5. It's invalid, right? Did you notice that? The Datadog registration US5. Here you are calling US1. That is the problem. Site.
Okay. So should I register once again?
No. Just change the site. Make it data US5.datadoghq.data. You see that, read the notes over there, US 5.
Okay, so I need to edit the YAML file, right?
Yeah, modify this YAML file, make it US 5, restart the agent, and should be okay.
Where it is written?
There only above Pranay, site it is.
Anil,
Where Omni?
Side, huh? This one, sense.
This one.
Below.
One arrow down.
US 5 dot, if you add it, that will be site. You see that, no? I think your screen is not refreshing or something. Okay, Anil, are you there?
Just tell me.
Yeah. So tomorrow onwards, if you feel like some of the topic which you are dragging, you can suggest us to override. I mean, speed up the stuff, so that way it will be good for all of us.
Yeah, it's not for me, it's for everyone. So
Yeah.
it's my request
No,
that
above. Side is there.
Your audio is not coming well, actually.
yeah, what I'm
This
telling
one?
you, so it's for all people,
Above.
only for me.
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
side colon data.
So site,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
see
this
that,
one, right?
Yeah, there in front you add, Rajesh is telling US 5.
Make it US 5. Yeah, US 5.
Right?
Dot.
Okay.
That's all. And one second, Pranay, you can see read these notes. You have a good amount of short tutorials actually for each option. So offline you can read it. And now you do save and exit and restart the agent.
Okay.
It will fix that issue.
No, it is still not running.
Did you restart the agent?
Yes.
Show me that status. Go up. API status or something. Wait. Now it's corrected. See, API key valid. Got it?
Valid.
Yeah. Okay, guys. All of you, can I go and show you the second demo, all of you?
But still it is not running, na, Rajesh?
What is that?
But still it is not running, na?
Running means? Okay, it will, you will see the matrices on the Datadog website. Okay, can you see my screen, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, look at my screen, all of you. Please only focus on my screen. Okay, rest of the things we can do later. So now what I want, so here I want to enable the process monitoring. Where is that? So go to my infrastructure here. There is a one box which you have here active. Okay, and this machine which you see here, if I go to the process, you see there's nothing. So I want to enable the process monitoring. What to do? So if you go to documentations, you have a complete detail. But anyways, I'll show you the demo. It's very simple. Okay. So what you have to do? First thing.
The process monitoring means all the process running on the server. We need to monitor, right?
That's correct. Yes. All the process which is running in the server, that will be monitored. Right now, by default, it's not enabled. So let me check this. My first of all, host info. My host info 17. Is this the same machine? Yes, it's the same machine. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, directly I'm going to show you that what to do. So here vi etc datadog agent datadog YAML file, and inside this file there is one option which is called, okay, just a second, hold on, there's someone is using this file, so let me go to that folder and ls-lrt. So here so I'm going to modify this file. Edit, save it, edit. Swap file is creating. Okay, let me delete this swap file. Okay, so vi datadog. I'll share the documentation. This file is pretty huge, but I will go ahead and there is one section.
The voice is echo actually.
Process config. Can you see this section, all of you? Please request you to focus on my screen because I don't want you to repeat this stuff. So process collection section configuration. So this is a section which you have to enable. Now what to do in order to enable? So you should read it actually, spend some time. But in order to enable these process configurations, I need to uncomment this line, and mind it, it's a 0 space. I need to uncomment this line, and mind it, this is a 2 space. And I need to uncomment this line, mind it, it's a 4 space. So here, let me check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and enabled true. Done. So these 3 things you have to uncomment and make it enabled true, and then done. Now question is, how can we do we have any documents for it? So let me share the documents as well. So that way it will be easy. So just write Datadog process, just type Datadog process, enter, and here can you see this tutorial, how to enable live processing monitoring? And you should read all this thing, and here you see enabled process config. Now this, how many space? So let me show you this. Here you go down a little bit, and here see 0 space, 2 space, 4 space. Will you remember this, all of you? Hello?
Yeah, please continue.
Okay, and now you are going to restart the agent. Okay, so let me restart the agent, save it, save it. I think, Ishwar, are you doing parallel changes?
Not now.
Okay, why is asking again and again? Just close that file because I'm using your machines only.
Okay.
Because if you do the parallel, no, I'll not be able to modify this. That is a problem. True, save it and restart the agent. So can I restart the agent? See here. Now I have to restart this agent, and now I will check that process monitoring is enabled or not. So now if you see that this code, I mean this tutorial, you have a commands which will help you to validate process enable is monitoring or not. You see, process enable true. So follow this one. These are a Linux command, nothing great about it. And you see here, this is true. So that means you validate it. Now you can also check in your Datadog website also. How do I check it? So go ahead and refresh little bit. it will take few seconds of time to get it reflected. If your change is good, go to the process and just wait for it. Okay, and let me check this my key. This is my key or not? Did you change the issuer key?
No.
Okay, let me check
We are
that.
same.
I'm just checking it to make sure that. Yeah, so starting with E07. So I'm just checking meanwhile because we have to wait for it. Okay, the key is changed, you see here. So someone has changed the key. So I have to, because I'm using someone else's machine right now. So I'm changing the key just for myself. And I have to restart the agent one more time. Restart. And now you should be having in a few seconds. So let's go for it. Where is that? Infrastructure monitoring here, and go to this and see started coming now. Understood now, all of you? How do you enable the process monitoring? Yeah, first thing you should check your region key, restart the agent, and fourth thing you have to check that that one, what is it, a process enabled. Can you click on that?
Yeah, so let me
Show me your YAML file, that section. You run that command which I gave it to you in my tutorial.
yes, I've done. Which command you are talking about?
Check that my tutorials.
See, I just follow this.
Go down. Go down.
Yes.
Go down.
Mode.
Go down. Go down. Keep down. Yeah, wait. Here only I can give you a command, right? Check that. How to check if process enabled or not in Linux. No, downside.
This one.
Yeah, that command. Yeah. Up to 5. Yeah. Up to 5. That's the one command.
Are you able to see my screen?
See here, you made a problem here. Process collection enabled false. You have to make it true.
Okay.
See that enabled is equal to false.
Okay.
So you have to make it true. Carefully you modify that. See here false. Make it true and restart the agent one more time.
Failed. Showing failed. That means after it is working. So after making those changes, maybe.
No, I think because of maybe some wrong changes has been done in the YAML file. Because of that, it's not running.
Okay.
So you have to check that what changes it's causing that.
So I just did for that process one. And nothing else.
Check the space issues and all. Maybe by mistake something else also you modify. It's the YAML issues only. Something has been corrupted. That so agent is not running because of that. Screen, all of you. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, end of this program, we'll do some certifications and test and all. and that will be shared with the coordinators for this. That is the specifications shared by them. So now today's assignment is very simple. Whatever we did, we'll have to document it. So how do we submit an assignment? So let me first set up a questions. First thing, what is observability? Whatever you write, you need to write in your own word, okay? Second question is, what is Datadog at a high level? Third question is, which is very important here, what is agent and how it works? That explanation which I did in your keyword. And fourth one is list of top 10 Datadog agent commands which we use today. Okay, and with single line explanation. Because the same command you're going to use it again and again every day, and I'm not going to tell you like this command because it will be repetitive. So single line comments. Okay, now how do you write this answer? So each of the assignment you submit attached to certain marks I will do in the backend. So how do you submit? So can you see that all of you create post? All of you? Okay, so here you create title, give it, let's say my Datadog first day notes. I'm just giving you, you can give notes whatever you want it. Whatever you want to title, you want to first day notes, something like this. And now you will write this one heading, and then you write answer, then again heading, and then again answer, and then again heading, again answer, some images you can upload. Now here you require the commands, right? So you will put it heading, and then here you will write all the commands. So how do you put it in the commands? In this one. So it's a markup language, and you can see preview. This is your answer, and publish it. The moment you publish it, your email address, which is in backend admin, it will be linked and given the marks automatically. Okay, so did you understand that? No. Did you see my demo first of all?
Yeah, I've seen.
Okay, so
I
you have to,
changed
this is for
the
additional learnings. You don't have to come until you want to do additional learning. So my expectations were look at my blogs.
Okay.
So my expectations were you have to go to the datadog.yaml file and uncomment these three entries as it is, no space, 2 space, 4 space, and true. What it will do, this will enable the process. Okay, process monitoring will be enabled. So this is how you do that in the Datadog. Same thing you do in Linux, same thing we do in the Windows. So now this page you should not coming here. You should go to the Datadog website, and there you should. So end of these sessions, each one of you will be awarded with the certifications based on the test. So here this will be uploaded. So each one of you can get the certificates, and this will be validating that this will be name and your some unique ID, and then email address will be linked in the backend. So this is for that purpose only. It's not for anything else.